Chipseal is a pavement surface treatment where a thin layer of asphalt binder is sprayed on an existing asphalt road and immediately covered with a single layer of small crushed stone chips that are rolled into place. It is used on roads that are still structurally sound but showing surface aging, like minor cracking, oxidation, or loss of texture. The goal is to preserve and seal the existing pavement, not to rebuild it. Construction is a simple, fast sequence. The surface is cleaned, a distributor truck applies a controlled rate of asphalt emulsion, a chip spreader places a uniform layer of aggregate while the binder is still fresh, and rollers embed the chips so each stone is partially held in the asphalt film. After rolling, loose chips are swept off, and on some projects, a light fog seal or slurry is added over the top as a cape seal to further lock in the aggregate and improve surface appearance. Functionally, Chipseal seals small cracks and surface voids to reduce water infiltration into the underlying layers, slowing moisture-related damage and extending pavement life. The exposed aggregate also restores skid resistance and surface texture on worn or polished asphalt, improving tire grip and often reducing wet weather skidding. Because the treatment is thin, it adds little structural strength and cannot correct deep rutting, base failures, or severe cracking. Those defects must be patched or overlaid before sealing. When applied to a suitable road at the right time, typical service life for a chip seal is on the order of 7 to 10 years, depending on climate, traffic, materials, and construction quality. Used as part of a preservation strategy, it can significantly delay the need for thicker asphalt overlays and roughly double the remaining life of a sound surface at much lower cost per lane mile than full resurfacing. That cost effectiveness allows agencies to treat many more miles of roadway each year within a fixed budget, keeping a larger network in fair to good condition instead of letting surfaces deteriorate to the point of reconstruction. There are trade-offs. Newly chip-sealed roads have some loose stone until sweeping and traffic seat the aggregate, so lower speed limits and extra sweeping are typically required early on. The finished surface is rougher and noisier than dense hot mix asphalt, and the treatment is generally better suited to low and medium volume roads than very high speed, high volume corridors. Within those limits, chip seal is widely used as a standard, cost-effective method to seal, protect, and extend the life of asphalt pavements while restoring surface friction.